Welcome to Melbear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful sparkly snow globe tumbler, which actually has little snowflakes in it. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. So today we are going to make a very pretty, kind of an iridescent, happy Christmas snow themed glitter tumbler. And we're going to need for this project, we're going to just need a tumbler, a hollow walled tumbler. I have already drilled this one out. If you need help drilling it out, check out one of my other videos. Most of them have a section on drilling out tumblers. We're also going to need clear glue. Any brand of clear glue is fine, as long as it's like a water-based glue, like Elmer's glue or this glue from Create Basics works just fine. We're going to need distilled water as well, and then you're going to need some glitter. What I'm using for this, I've got all these at Michael's. They're fairly easy to get. I've got a mint gold mix, fake snow. This is little snowflakes, and I've seen these all over the place. They even have these little guys at Dollar Tree, so if you don't want to buy this brand, you can get the ones from Dollar Tree. And then I've got these little stars as well, and they're called Bling. There's some other stars I saw at Dollar Tree as well. You can also use those. Use whatever glitter you want to use. This is a just a fine white iridescent glitter. We're going to start with that. So what you want to do is drill out your tumbler. This one has been drilled, like I said. And then you also want to get some of these little squeeze tubes and cut the end off so it's fairly big, because we're going to put the sparkles in here that we don't have to poke through the hole. The snowflakes will not work this way because the hole is just a little too small. You could probably drill the hole out larger. I don't like doing that. It just makes a bigger hole to try to fill at the end of the day. And then these little stars won't fit through there either, but these guys will. So those are going to go into our squeeze bottle. Also going to need for this project some UV resin to seal up the hole, and a black light to cure the UV resin, and I use these little permanent adhesive dots. You can seal up your tumbler whichever way you find works best for you. This works the best for me. And you need an alcohol or an alcohol wipe to wipe off the top of your glitter before you seal it. And so we're going to get started. Usually do probably about 20 mil of the different fine glitters. And you can just, I'll show what I'm going to do, but if you want to make up your own mix of glitter, you can do that. I really like this mint one, so we're going to use quite a bit of that, and just a little bit of this iridescent. Not too much, just enough to make it pretty. And a little bit of this snow. I don't know how this is going to react in the tumbler, so I don't want to add too much. I've never put that in one before, but we'll see what it looks like. So with the stars, and the snowflakes, they won't fit through with the tube, so you're just going to have to poke these in the normal way. Put in as many as you like. I'm going to put in probably about a teaspoon worth, and I'm not going to film me poking all these into the hole. You guys can figure out how to put glitter into a hole. You just keep pushing them in there, and then just keep shaking your tumbler so they fall through. It's fairly straightforward. Put in as many as you feel you want to. That's about a teaspoon, I think. That's how many I'm going to put in. And I'm going to put in some of the stars as well, but I'm not going to pile all those on there or they're going to go all over the place. So I'll be back as soon as I have these in the tumbler. And now we're just going to add the same amount of stars as I did the snowflakes. Alright, so we've got our stars and snowflakes into the cup, and now we're going to add our other glitter. So what I do is I take the glitter and I put it into the squeezed bottle. And with this one, I'm going to add some water and glue at the same time. So I'm going to add probably about, we'll see how much fits in here. I think this fits about a 1/4 cup of water. But I'm going to add some glue in there, so let's see what did that give us. Yeah, it's just under a 1/4 cup of water. And I think I'm going to add probably about a tablespoon of glue into this. And you can adjust your glue mixture. Like if you set your tumbler up and it isn't flowing as much as you'd like, you can pour some of the liquid off. Just try not to lose your glitter, and then add some more water. Or if it's not flowing, or if it's flowing too fast for you, just add some more glue. And just keep refilling your glue and water mixture as required until it is full. And if your glitter is sticking in the bottle, just give it a good shake and then turn it upside down, and you should be all right. Alright, so now we're going to seal off the tumbler, and what you're going to do is wipe the top of it off with some alcohol, and then use glue dot, and then use your UV resin on it. So we're just going to give that a quick wipe with the alcohol. Make sure it's very clean, otherwise you will not get a proper seal and your tumbler will leak. So make sure you get a nice and dry as you can. Good nice wipe with the alcohol. And we're going to use one of these Gorilla Glue dots. There we go. And then we're going to use our UV resin on this. And you can either leave this plain, or you can decorate it up a little bit. I'm going to put a few chunks of my minty glitter on there, and just give it a little swirl with a toothpick. Make sure that is level and flat before you use your UV light on it. And here is our finished tumbler. It's got a nice flow to it. It's not too fast or too slow. You can see all the little snowflakes. I think it's very festive. I think anyone would like to get this as a Christmas present. I know I would. Thank you so much for watching. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. It really does help, and it is free. Thank you so much for watching.